I'm heading over to Beyond Grandma's antique store in Chicago. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that I go there often. I restore a lot of their antiques. I also sell there a few of the things that I make. I thought I'd put together a quick last-minute video which I shot using my phone. I apologize for the reduced quality of the audio and video. This was just a spur-of-the-moment impromptu video. I wasn't even sure I was going to upload it, but why not? So I'm at Beyond Grandma's House, vintage antiques and collectible store in Chicago. It's one of the largest antique shops in Chicago. I'm going to give you a quick little tour, but it's not going to be of the store, the things that everybody gets to see. I'm going to take you behind the scenes to see a few of the rooms that nobody's allowed in except for me. Let's check it out. I made that shelf out of an old sled. There's a bench I restored. There's some slate signs that I make. There's Bob, aka Grandpa. There's my grandson who works at the store. There's Grandma's backside. There's a model of the Apollo 13 space capsule signed by Tom Hanks. Aisles and aisles of cool stuff. This place is incredible. Now I haven't mentioned this to the owners yet, but I thought it would be really cool to make a video where I spend the night here. Let me know in the comments if you think this is something that you might be interested in. So there's two places at Beyond Grandma's house that nobody gets to see. I'm going to take you to the first one, and then we're going to go on the other side and see number two. Let's check it out. This way. Bunch of old tools right here. Old engraving machines, paper cutter. No idea what this is. This is actually a beautiful, valuable table that needs to be fixed. Check out that huge pile of chairs. I guess there's only so many you can display at one time. Looks like about 5 Electrolux vacuum cleaners, cardboard boxes, more tools, pipes. So that was just one half of this storage room. Let's check out the other half. Here's a bunch of machines. Oh, and if you're related to that guy and you want your picture returned, let me know. There are dozens of bags and boxes that still have yet to be gone through. I have no idea what's back there, and we're not going to find out. I like this workbench top. That's a nice piece of wood right there. These are molds that came out of a candy factory in Chicago, Illinois. All right, that was just one of the storage rooms. Let's head over to storage room number 2. So this is the second storage room. There's not quite as much here, but still some interesting stuff to check out. This is a porcelain bedpan from the 1930s. Hey James, number 1 and number 2. James here also says it's a musical instrument. I don't want to know how he knows that.
Or a soup bowl.
Let's see what we got here. Our Lady of the Rosary, the School Sisters of St. Francis. There's a hot item. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. This is an electric blanket from the 1930s. I don't think safety was one of their primary concerns. Check this out. You actually plugged it directly into the outlet. It's broken here, but you plugged it into the outlet. And over here, you can plug, they had boots that came with it, and you could actually plug in a pair of boots. A little bit dangerous, I'd say. We got here a vintage bind stitch sewing machine. Oh, also, another bedpan. This one looks like from the 50s or 60s. I have no idea what this is, but that looks pretty cool. There's some threads in here, so I assume there was some sort of an attachment that went along with it. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. You know what that is? That's to practice your putts. Everything else is pretty much housewares, glass, tools, furniture. Oh, this is an interesting looking cabinet. And if you happen to need a paint storage cabinet, Grandma's house is the place for you. Check it out. Next week, the first week of April, they have a big sale going on, so you might want to check it out. Beyond Grandma's House, vintage, antiques, and collectibles in Chicago. See you later. I'm busy working on something.
The ashtray, the pilot game, and the remote control, that's all I need. That's the only thing I need is this.